Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today in this video we are going to be showing you guys back to school / random haul. So we are going to school probably in September, and some of you guys are starting their school in August or in a week or so. So yes, we don't even know if we'll go online, if we'll go to school or we'll do everything online. We don't even know yet, but so we decided to get some stuff. So it is a kind of pre-back to school haul. So we were shopping for our DIY video. So we found some stuff and we got that, and we are showing you guys what we got. So the first thing that we have here is so cute in a pastel. It is the folders. You guys can see that it is so cute. The writing that is on it is golden, so that is really aesthetic and a really nice touch to everything. So you guys can see how it is really reflective and really nice. I hope you guys can see that. And it is start each day with a positive thought, which is really nice. And mine one says that if nothing goes right, go left. And
so this is how the inside looks like.
Of course, the same as every other.
So
yes,
the next thing that we got are these flags.
So we got some sticky notes and some flags, and these are the stuff that we got. So these are
you guys can see how they are. These are good random sticky notes flag that we just can put on each thing, so we can just separate our subject, or we can write whatever we want to address everything. So yes, we got that. And then to take notes, we don't even know when we'll start school, but to take some notes in case we have to, we got these fine liners, and these are in so many colors. So
these are some micro liners, and you can see how beautiful the colors are, and they're so bright and colorful. So we got a pack of them, 12. So yes, we got those. And then the next thing that we got are these markers. So you guys can see how these markers are. Again, to take some notes, we got these markers, and
these are alcohol markers, and one side of them is a wide one, and other side is a fine tip. So we got those because why not? So yes, we got those alcohol markers. And
then the other thing that we got are some highlighters, and
because they are a must-have.
So if you have any trouble memorizing anything else, you can definitely use this, because I don't know.
So we wanted to get the pastel ones
initially,
but they were not available, so we decided to get what we have, what the shop had. So these are bright colors.
Are some notebooks. We didn't got a lot of notebooks because we are going to DIY them, because obviously we have a DIY channel, and
so we'll DIY them, and after that we'll have loads and loads of notebooks. So we don't want
to waste a lot of notebooks. So we got some of the notebooks, we got 2 of them, one for each. So you guys can see this has random colorful patterns, and inside is just lined notebook.
And the pages are really nice. The quality is really good. Some pages are really bad and they just spread your ink out, so they are not like that. So they're good quality. So
yes, we love those.
Next thing in the back to school thing that we got are
definitely some pencils, because you need it. And these are the colorful ones again.
How beautiful and colorful they are. They are in different colors, blue, green, orange, and pink. Really nice colors. So definitely these are a thumbs up.
We got are some cute pens, and we also
unfortunately I misplaced my pineapple one, and
I don't know, it's gonna be here and there somewhere else. So oh my god, I dropped it. So these are the pens that we got. Maybe some of you guys will be thinking that we look like a 6-year-old with these pens, but
they look good in a DIY setup or something like that.
Yes.
So we decided to get those. Why are you dropping everything?
Sorry.
So the next thing that we got is the scissor. And this is the most random thing ever. You need scissors, but we have loads and loads of scissors as we do DIYs, so we have a lot of them. So we decided to get this one. And the thing with this is it is not good. It is so weird. It doesn't cut anything good. So yes, we got that,
which was a waste of our money
because it was not good. So
the other things that
now the back to school things like
are finishing.
Like, so now the back to school things are finished. We have showed you guys everything that we got in back to school. Like now we have to show you guys
some
what we got,
random stuff,
random things.
So first of all, we were shopping for the DIYs, and then we saw these amazing holographic straws. So we were like, we should get them, so we got them, and I don't know where we're gonna use them, but like still.
So the next thing that we got is like this brush, and this is like an amazing cute brush. Like look at this. So this has really like glitter inside it. It has like glitter inside. It's literally glitter, and we love glitter. So this is a really nice thing, like really nice brush.
So we got it from Miniso, if anyone is wondering about that.
And then we got like jewelry. So this is really nice dainty jewelry kind of a
thing. So these are earrings, and you can see that they are the sisterhood earrings. So we thought they are so cute, so we got them.
So one side is silver and one side is golden. So this side is golden and this side is silver, and which is so cute and such a random thing. And yes, next thing that we got are like
some lip products or makeup products. So yes, first of all we got this NYX soft matte lip cream, and you guys,
and yes, this is like really nice lip cream.
You can see the shade right over here, so
like don't focus on my face.
So yes, this is the shade, and this is the shade in the other one that is the bigger one.
Like such a beauty guru thing, like showing things like that. But like the thing with these cameras are like they focus on your face, so when your face is there they cannot focus on anything else because you have to like cancel your face. So they're tracking our face. And then we got like this Maybelline powder, which is so random,
so
and
it is
in the shade 128 nude. So yes, we got that.
So the last thing we got are some pins, and yes, these are the pins
really trendy.
Yeah, these are like going really trendy these days. So we got them, and you guys might not be able to see it, but like still it's there.
So you guys can see it how they look like. They look like this. And yes, that is it for the haul, guys. And if you think that this haul is cringy, I don't even know.
Because I don't know why we think that all of our videos are cringe, but like
so that was it for the haul. And if you guys enjoyed it, then give it a big thumbs up,
and also subscribe to our channel down below.
Turn the notification bells on so you'll be notified every time we post a new video.
And our previous videos are of course linked in the description box down below
or in the eye corner right here.
So make sure to watch them, and we'll catch you guys later
in our next video. Till then, peace out.